Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws token giveaway and listing. All you need to know. The Paws community has unveiled thrilling updates for $PAWS token enthusiasts, sparking excitement across the crypto world. From a massive pre-listing giveaway to the highly anticipated potential listing on Binance, this is shaping up to be a monumental moment for the $PAWS ecosystem. Here's everything you need to know, broken down in detail, so you don't miss out on these amazing opportunities. The Paws token pre-listing giveaway. The Paws team has launched an incredible pre-listing event to reward early supporters and attract new users to its growing community. This giveaway is a rare chance to grab free $DOGS tokens, with a total of 10 million tokens up for grabs. How the giveaway works. What's being offered? The giveaway includes 10 million $DOGS tokens, distributed among lucky participants. Who can participate? The first 10,000 individuals to engage with the official giveaway tweet. It's a limited time offer, so acting fast is essential. Why is it happening? The giveaway is designed to reward loyal community members, attract new participants to the Paws ecosystem, increase awareness ahead of the $PAWS token listing. This event not only creates excitement, but also boosts community engagement and ensures a wider distribution of tokens before the big day. The $PAWS token listing, December 30th. The crypto world is buzzing with the news that $PAWS might be listed on Binance, one of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, on December 30th. While official confirmation is still pending, signals from the Paws community and associated platforms like Blum Talk community strongly suggest this as the listing date. Why a Binance listing matters. A Binance listing is a major milestone for any token offering. Global exposure. Binance has millions of users worldwide, making $PAWS accessible to a much larger audience. Liquidity. High trading volumes on Binance ensure better price stability and market efficiency. Credibility. A listing on Binance signals trust and quality, attracting serious investors. This potential listing is set to elevate $PAWS from a community-focused token to a globally recognized asset. Paws farming season, last chance to earn. The current Paws farming season has been a resounding success, with participants earning significant rewards by staking and farming $PAWS tokens. However, this season is coming to an end in December, making it the perfect time for users to maximize their farming efforts before it's too late. Key highlights of the farming season. Rewarding participants. Users have earned substantial rewards, making farming a profitable activity. Active community. The farming season has fostered a lively, engaged community around $PAWS. Alignment with listing. The season's conclusion coincides with the potential Binance listing, creating a seamless transition for users to trade their tokens. For those new to farming, the process involves staking your tokens to support the network, and, in return, earning rewards. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, now is your chance to join and reap the benefits before the farming season ends. The Paws community, a growing movement. One of the standout features of $PAWS is its strong and vibrant community. Over the past months, the Paws community has grown exponentially, fueled by a shared passion for decentralized finance, DeFi, and the innovative opportunities that $PAWS offers. Why the community matters. Engagement and support. The community actively participates in events, farming, and discussions, creating a positive and inclusive environment. Marketing power. Word of mouth from an enthusiastic community drives awareness and adoption of $PAWS. Foundation for growth. A loyal community ensures the long-term sustainability of the project, especially during key milestones like the Binance listing. The Paws team has also prioritized regular updates and communication with its members, keeping them informed and engaged as the project evolves. What's next for $PAWS? With the pre-listing giveaway, farming season wrap-up, and potential Binance listing on the horizon, the future of $PAWS looks incredibly bright. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Here's what's on the roadmap. 1. Expanded token utility. The Paws team is exploring new ways to make $PAWS more valuable to holders. Future developments could include using $PAWS in decentralized applications (dApps), integrating $PAWS into other DeFi platforms for lending, borrowing, or yield farming. 2. Partnerships and collaborations. Collaborating with other blockchain projects could expand the reach and adoption of $PAWS, introducing it to new audiences and use cases. 3. New community initiatives. Expect more events like giveaways, staking opportunities, and exclusive perks for long-term supporters as the Paws community continues to grow. 4. Post-listing developments. A Binance listing is just the beginning. The team has hinted at plans to list $PAWS on other major exchanges, further enhancing its accessibility and liquidity. How to get involved. If you're excited about the future of $PAWS, here's how you can join the journey. Participate in the giveaway. Follow the Paws official Twitter account and engage with the giveaway tweet to secure your chance at free $DOGS tokens. Maximize farming opportunities. Earn rewards through $PAWS farming before the season ends in December. Stay updated. Follow Paws community updates on Twitter, Telegram, and partner platforms to stay informed about the listing and other events. Prepare for trading. Get ready for the potential Binance listing by setting up an account and familiarizing yourself with the platform.